Are you someone who likes the idea of having a balanced and diversified portfolio, but never quite managed to achieve it? I have the solution.
Hey guys, I'm Jasper, a financial market analyst working with Trading 212 to help improve your financial education. Please note that nothing in this video should be construed as financial advice. Today, I'm introducing pies from Trading 212, which is fantastic because who doesn't love a good pie?
Pies help you solve two major investing pain points.
Number one, to have a diversified portfolio and easily maintain that diversification balance over the long term as markets move up and down. Number two, to make regular contributions to your portfolio without having to make complex calculations in order to allocate the right amount of money to each company or ETF that you own. That's brilliant. So what is a pie? A pie is a collection of securities, either stocks or ETFs, and each security is represented as a slice of the pie. And you can have multiple pies.
With pies, you can also invest automatically.
Auto Invest allows you to customize a deposit schedule to your pies, assign a payment method, and invest automatically. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so let me show you step by step how to create a pie. To create a pie, simply go into the portfolio section of your account and tap on the Create Pie button. Alternatively, if you already have investments in your portfolio, tap on the Pies tab followed by Create Pie. The next step is to browse and make a selection of your favorite stocks and ETFs. This area works just the same as if you were searching for a single investment in the app, except that you can make multiple selections. The securities are helpfully categorized so you can see what's popular, find stocks that pay dividends, etc. Once you're happy with your selections, tap on the arrow to proceed, and bear in mind that you can always go back and edit your selections even after the pie has been created. Nothing's set in stone. It's on this next screen that you'll get a first glimpse of what your pie will look like. The default is for each slice to be the same size, i.e. each investment will have the same weighting in the portfolio. You can use these sliders to adjust the target weight of each slice. It's these target weights in percentages that will determine how your invested funds will be allocated within the pie.
You'll notice that as you move the sliders, the number shown as a percentage in the middle of the pie changes. This is the average annual rate of return, known as AAR for short. This basically shows you what this pie earned on average per year for the past 5 years. You can tap the eye icon in the app to get a more detailed description.
In my random example here, I have a pie composed of two companies, Google and Apple. If you set the target weight of Google to 70% and the target weight of Apple to 30% and you invest £100 into your pie, £70 will go to Google and £30 will go towards Apple. If you select the plus button and add more investments, the default will be to assign each investment a 10% weighting in your pie. So then you just need to readjust the overall percentage back down to 100%. Pies are designed with long-term contributions in mind, and to automate your contributions, you select Auto Invest. You also have the option to create a pie without using Auto Invest, in which you'll have to manually contribute funds to the pie, and this can be a good temporary option while you still are deciding the final makeup of your pie. On the next screen, you should choose Auto Invest if you want to deposit funds and invest automatically, or choose Manual if you don't want to contribute on a regular schedule and rather invest and withdraw funds on your own. And you can always enable or disable Auto Invest later at any time. If you stick with the Auto Invest option, your next step will be to set up your investment plan. Use the sliders to customize as you prefer. You can set your desired investment duration in years. You can see the default is 5, but you can take it up to 40 if you're thinking of retirement, for example. Then you can choose the day of the month and the amount for the recurring deposits. The default is 1,000, but you can always increase the initial deposit value if you already have a lump sum to start with. On the top screen, you have a projection of the potential growth of your pie based on the investment plan you've configured and the historical average annual return rate of the pie. Of course, since this is an estimation based on historical returns, it's not guaranteed. You can personalize your pie with a name and a picture. This is a good idea if you plan on setting up multiple pies. The final step before your pie is ready is to do a quick review. If everything is how you like it, then you can proceed to fund the pie using your preferred payment method or use the free cash from your Trading 212 account balance. After you select a payment method to link to Auto Invest, the initial deposit will be made immediately and recurring deposits will be made according to the pie's deposit schedule. And wham bam, that is it. If you haven't got the app yet to try yourself, it's in the Apple App Store and Google's Play Store, and let us know what you think. Want to rate it as the best investment tool ever or request some new features? Please drop us a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you see more videos like these as soon as they're released. And thank you very much for watching, and happy investing.